bike this weekend. But I'm glad that I drive a truck so that the way that I hit the other guy with more force, so my truck's like pretty much fine.
Yeah, that makes sense. Good thing you were the bigger object.
No, that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it does. What are you talking about?
The forces are the same. Don't listen to Toby.
It's not. My truck's bigger, so it applies more force.
Why are you here? Honestly. It's like every time I try to do something fun or exciting, you make it not that way. I hate so much about the things that you choose to be.
Yeah, Toby.
Not knowing Newton's third law properly is not funny, guys, okay? Dwight, come meet me in my office. I don't know how to properly convey this to Toby, Dwight.
My recommendation? Scare him straight.
No, that wouldn't work. Whenever Toby gets scared, his solution is just to get a divorce.
What if you showed him a way that Newton's third law applies and scare him? Fear is people's greatest motivation, second only to sex.
I am so sad that no one knows Newton's third law!
Oh my god, Michael, I think you're gonna jump!
You don't really expect me to think you're gonna jump, do you?
You don't really expect me not to push you up against the wall, biatch? Action.
But Michael, if you jump, the floor will have such a greater force on your body that you'll die.
Dwight, you ignorant slut! That is not Newton's third law being properly understood. Forces always come in pairs. When I hit the ground, it will apply a force upward of the same magnitude as my body applies on it downward. There is always an equal force for the force you are applying on something else. Demonstrate this? I will now jump off the building.
Okay, Michael, this is crazy. I trust you that large objects apply the same force in smaller objects as smaller objects do in larger ones. The reason people don't believe that is because the larger one has more mass and therefore affects the smaller one's motion more than the small one affects the larger ones. I was teasing you as a joke.
Hey, Michael, do you want to come down?
Yes. Okay, so I'm glad we could all learn a lesson here today, so back to work, slaves. I can say that now because Stanley's not here, so not a hate crime.